Hi, in previous video, I shared my experience with Cognizant and now I'm sharing some interview questions and the answers also. Now, it now in this video I am sharing HTML questions which are asked by the interviewer, and I collected some of the questions which are asked to my friends and I included those questions also. Please watch till end, and if any doubts, please comment. I will clarify your doubts. This video is all about the overview of HTML. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is standard markup language for creating web pages. Means HTML is used to create web pages. And here HTML describes the structure of web page. HTML consists of series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. Here we discussed about what is HTML and what does HTML do, and this question was basic question which was asked by the interviewer to to know about us for this was basic HTML code, and all the HTML starts with open tag and it closed with closed tag. And here see, let's see, um, this was the open tag and this was the closed tag. See, here HTML was closed, this was open tag, and this was closed tag. Every HTML code was in between open and closed tags. Did you get it? Every open tag has a closed tag in HTML, and this was the basic HTML code, and uh, this was the head, and in this head it was written title, hello viewers. And what is the purpose of this title? If you hello world, hello viewers, like this, it shows in URL, sorry, URL. It was the body. Here we write the content. Here we write the content of the HTML, which was displayed in the body. Means which was displayed in the HTML page. This was the basic uh, HTML code. What is an HTML element? It was the most asked question in the interviews. And how can we define HTML element? An HTML element is defined by start tag and contains some content and end tag. For example, see this here. Here it is open tag. Here it is open tag, and this was closed tag. This was closed tag, and between this is content. So that these tags are called elements in HTML. These tags are called HTML elements. This is used for headings, and let's see this. It is paragraph. We can write this open tag and close tag and here some content. That means paragraph. In between the open tag and between this closed tag there is a content called the paragraph, so this was called an element. What are headings in HTML? uh, there are like these headings. It was starts with h1 and end with H6. If you write H1 high and H1 open tag, H1 close tag in between high, it was used for headings. In this, it was used for headings, and this one big H2 tag is smaller than H1, H3 is smaller than H2, H4 is smaller than H3, H2, H1, H5 is smaller than H4, H3, H2, H1, H6 is smaller than H5, H4, H3, H2 and H1. Then the biggest heading tag is H1 and smallest tag was H6. Biggest tag was H1 and smallest tag was H6 for headings. HTML paragraphs. HTML paragraphs. Paragraph tag was defined by P. Paragraph tag was defined by P. And here let us define P. It was open tag and this was closed tag for P. In HTML, every open tag has closed tag. Every open tag has closed tag, and this was content. This was a paragraph. It was written in paragraph because it was in between open P and closed P. This is about paragraph tag. HTML attributes and HTML elements. These are the major questions asked by the interviewer when he asking about HTML. Now let us see about attributes. Attributes in HTML means that which can changes the behavior of an element are called attributes. For example, this was here image was an element and src is an attribute. It was src is changing the behavior of an element. And here anchor tag, here href is an attribute, anchor tag is an element. Here this attribute was changing the behavior of an element, so href is an one of the element. And let us discuss about anchor tag. Anchor tag is defined as what we say that it was defined for creating hyperlinks. We can create the hyperlinks by using anchor tags. This how the anchor tag represent means, yeah, here open anchor tag, here link and closed anchor tag. This was the format how we write the anchor tag. Tables, HTML tables. One of my friend got this question. I didn't got this question. One of my friend shared his experience with me that it was HTML tables. The interviewer asked him to create a HTML table. So using one row and one column, and he created a table. This was the tag used to create the table. This was the tag create table, and this was the style we can see afterwards. And tr means table row, th table heading, close tags of table heading and row close tag. Here and here another row. This was table data which was stored, um, stored by first name, and this was stored by after second name. TD means table data, TH means table heading. This was all about tables. This was the one of the question asked by the interviewer. Uh, can you tell me how many lists are there? There are three types of lists. There are three types of lists: unordered list, ordered list, and description list. And these are how we write the unordered list. Unordered list was stored by arrow marks, stars, brackets, symbols, like that. Order list was displayed by numerical numbers or Roman numbers, like that. And description means it was stored by descriptions, and this was the format of writing this description list. And this is for ordered list, and this is for unordered list. These are the three lists which are in HTML. One of my friend got this question, forms. The interviewer asked my friend to create form using student name, student mobile number, and year of the student studying, and the course that the student was pursuing. This was the question interviewer asked to my friend. And this is all about the forms, like button, field set, and these all are about forms. And thank you.